Okay, so we just got this thermometer from Shelvin, and they sent this to us so we could show it to you. But it's pretty cool. It's got like a backlight here. You just push that, and the backlight comes on for about 5 seconds, which is important because sometimes you're grilling in low light environments, like in the evening in the backyard or whatever and stuff. So you can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius with that little button right there, and you can hold that there for your max and your min temperatures and stuff. And to turn it off, you just close it down like that, and as you close it, it shuts off, and then as you open it up, it comes back on again, ta-da, like that. So I just grilled some steaks here. Well, I put them in the air fryer, so we're going to check the temperature here and see how we do. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you, it has this little grilling guide on the back here, which tells you the temperature you need to cook your meats to, which is pretty cool. And it's magnetic, so you can stick it to the side of your grill or your refrigerator or anything like that to have it ready and handy. But let's just give a little check here on our meat, and let's see. It's up to temperature. Ta-da! Look at that. All right.